Hello everybody, this is Dominoes 7 here. Okay, I would like to welcome y'all to this Dominoes 7 vlog, Dominoes 7 show, Dominoes 7 video, whatever you want to call it. Okay, you know what? I've always loved American Gladiators, no matter what franchise. I mean, say what season it be. You know, when Mike Adamle, Ty Christensen, rest in peace to Ty Christensen. You know. Okay, Larry Zonka, I remember Larry Zonka, okay, and this other lady, I forgot her name, you know, wait a minute, I can check on here. Alright, I've always loved that show, with Mike Adamle, Joe Dursman, Ty Christensen, Larry Zonka, Lisa Molaski, Danny Lee Clark, yep, that's it, you know. So I ain't know John Harlan announced it though. You know, I really enjoyed. Excuse me. I really enjoyed American Gladiators. You know something. American Gladiators came on, and then a few years later, they made Nickelodeon Guts. Okay, so check this out. American Gladiators started in 1989, and Nickelodeon Guts, I'm about to do a research on that. Alright, Nickelodeon Guts came out in 1992, okay? So, a couple of years later, first they had American Gladiators came out. Alright, check this out though. And then, and then Nickelodeon Guts came out 1992, okay? Ended in 1995, you know. First, it was American Gladiators where they had the aggro crag, then they evolved into the mega crag, and then it became a super aggro crag, and then they brought back the original aggro crag again, okay? Alright, so, I mean, on the serious side though, I also enjoyed Gladiators 2000, okay? So just with the children doing semi whatever you call that, you know, okay? So American Gladiators, let me tell y'all something. I've always compared American Gladiators to Nickelodeon Guts. I meant to say I always compare Nickelodeon Guts to American Gladiators, you know. Ever since I was a child, I compared Nickelodeon Guts to American Gladiators. Because do y'all remember basic training? Y'all remember the Eliminator? Okay. The Wall, the Aggro Crag, Skytrack, Zero G, and stuff like that. Let me tell y'all something. I compared the Wall with the Aggro Crag, or compared the Aggro Crag to the Wall, you know. I compared basic training with the Eliminator, you know, the cargo net, the rings, or the tightrope walk, or the Tarzan swing, you know, fire pole, or slide for life. You know what? Let me tell y'all something. I compared the slide for life to the zip line, you know. So do y'all remember the Eliminator and basic training? Let me tell y'all something. I compared the Eliminator to basic training, you know. When I was a child, I watch American Gladiators. I say, do they call that the Eliminator? Until I watched it again, it said basic training, you know. Maybe they should call it the Eliminator again, you know. Sorry, y'all. I'm catching a mouth ache, you know. Some of you never heard of that, you know. Alright, gotta take a little breather from talking. Okay. So anyway, as I was saying, folks, which one of y'all like the most? American Gladiators or Nickelodeon Guts? Okay? You know, I'm not certain, but it seems like they gonna bring back American Gladiators if possible. I hope they do. But let me tell y'all something. I guarantee y'all I guarantee anybody that's watching this show right now, I guarantee each and every one of y'all, if they bring back American Gladiators, I guarantee y'all, they're going to bring back Guts, okay? They already brought back American Gladiators in 2008 with Hulk Hogan, you know, Hulk Hogan and Layla Ali, you know, when they released American Gladiators on NBC, I was expecting Mike Adamle to be on the show. When I saw Hulk Hogan, I said, wow, Mike Adamle is co-hosting with Hulk Hogan. But I was wrong. I did not expect Mike Adamle not to be on there. I really expected him to be on there because he been through 4 co-hosts, you know. Let me see if I got that right. Okay. 4, let me see. Alright, I'm doing my research. Let's see. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My mistake. Well, I guess 7, you know, because should we count International Gladiators? I love that too, okay? Yep. Thank the Lord, my mama knew. My mama knew before my mom passed away. She knew that I love Gladiators, you know, but she didn't say American Gladiators. She just called the show the Gladiators, you know. My mama knew that I loved that show, you know. I really loved that show when they brought the revival of American Gladiators. I enjoyed that too, no matter how different it be. Yeah, when you mix it up with something new, just like All That, you know. I like the new All That, you know. I love it, you know. It doesn't matter long as All That is back, you know. So I'm gonna talk about All That on another video, okay? So I want to tell y'all though, okay? I mean, I really enjoyed American Gladiators, you know. I love it as well as I love Guts, you know. So there's only 2 events on Nickelodeon Guts. That's 3 that's compared to Gladiators. 0G compared to Skytrack, to my knowledge. The Wall compared to the Aggro Crag, because there's like a wall back there, like a peak, like, you know. Okay, and it might have something else that's compared to American Gladiators. When they you know, on American Gladiators, they call that stand some kind of tower or something, you know, the tower or whatnot, you know. And then with on Nickelodeon Guts, when you jump off that thing, they call it the aerial bridge, you know. So technically, I call that the aerial bridge on American Gladiators. Is that event that you jump way up and grab the blue ball, a red ball, and the yellow ball on American Gladiators, you know. So they call it a tower, but I call it the aerial bridge, you know. And then I call basic training the eliminator, you know, when you go up the cargo net, then the rings, then the fire pole, the elastic jungle, up the wall climb, and down the free fall bag. Or switch it up, the cargo net, then the tightrope walk, then the free fall bag, and then go through the elastic jungle, up the wall climb, and down into the tube slide, and land in the pool. Wow, you know what? Before I go to the next story, okay? You know what? If they was gonna be in the pool, I wonder why there wasn't no swimwear, you know, like bathing suits or whatever. I don't know. Okay, just like with Boogie Down and stuff like that. When they go around the buoys and stuff, you know. All right, Boogie Down. That's with the knee board, you know. All right, back to basic training compared to Eliminator. Well, I changed it all up. the cargo net, well, actually the wall climb, the Tarzan swing, down the slide for life, do the tire crawl, up the cargo net, then the free fall bag, or the cargo net, then the Tarzan swing, then a free fall bag, then the tire crawl, or elastic jungle, up the wall climb, or the cargo net, down the tube slide. Well, y'all know how it be, you know. And then back to what I was talking about, you know, like global guts. You remember they call it the tightrope walk on global guts. They call it monkey bridge. Monkey bridge. Yes, indeed. Some events on Nickelodeon Guts can be compared to American Gladiators, because I've always compared Nickelodeon Guts to American Gladiators. Okay. And then a race around a track with the quake and all that, you know. And then when they ride on this bike or whatever you call that, you know, you have to steer that bike with your body, you know. No handlebars or no wheel, you know. No handlebars, no wheel, you know. Steering wheel like that, you know. That's what I mean by no wheel, no steering wheel, you know. Alright. So, on the serious side though, I mean, I enjoy Mike O'Malley, you know. I miss Mike O'Malley on Nickelodeon, you know. But I did get to watch him on Yes Dear on CBS, you know. I miss seeing him on Nickelodeon. I remember seeing him on Figure It Out, you know. Alright. So, do y'all get my drift on American Gladiators and Guts? I hope y'all do. Because I enjoy My Family's Got Guts as well, you know. But I guarantee y'all, any type of time thing, let me tell y'all something. If they bring back American Gladiators for the 2019-2020 season, I guarantee y'all, probably the same season of TV or next season of TV, I guarantee you they're going to bring back Guts, okay? If they bring back Gladiators, they're going to bring back Guts. And I guarantee you, I'm going to watch that, okay? I'm going to definitely watch that. You understand? I promise each and every one of y'all, I'm going to watch that. And I'm going to do my vlogs about American Gladiators just like I do my vlogs sometimes on Wheel of Fortune, The Price is Right, Jeopardy, and stuff like that, you know. I haven't done my vlogs on Maury Povich show, you know. Okay. All right, but I haven't done no vlogs on Jerry Springer. You know, I mean I like Jerry Springer as a person, but I don't even know Jerry Springer. You know, I don't watch his talk shows. You know, like I used to when I was young. You know. Alright, so that's all I'm going to say about Nickelodeon Guts and American Gladiators, you know. So I guarantee y'all they're going to bring back Guts. I'm talking about Nickelodeon going to bring back Guts if they bring back American Gladiators. Trust me on that one. I guarantee y'all that, okay? Alright, thank y'all for watching this vlog, okay? Bye-bye.